Three islands, crystal clear water, monkeys, kayak, and eagles gliding down right in front of us. You must have guessed, today we are going island hopping in Langkawi, and if you're here, this might just be the most epic thing you can do. But hold on, we almost missed our boat. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. After a chill evening at Koha Night Market and a mixed experience at Dream Forest, we are ready for one of the most popular activities in Langkawi, the classic island hopping tour. Honestly, the views looked amazing in every photo I saw online, so I had to be there.
हम लंकावी में आइलैंड हॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं। हम बहुत लेट चल रहे हैं अपने शेड्यूल टाइम से।
We booked this on the spot to keep our schedule flexible. After comparing a few options and talking to the local agent, we got a shared tour for 40 Malaysian ringgit per person, which I think is pretty budget friendly. We drove ourselves to the jetty. It was super fun and easy if you have rented a car just like we did. Make sure you reach a bit early to find your boat. You can come here anytime if you're not booking any specific tour. And this tour is usually about 3 to 4 hours, so make sure you have enough time in hand. And it covers three beautiful islands in the south of Langkawi. Our first stop was Dayang Buting Island, which is home to the freshwater lake in the middle of the island.
Inside fresh water. Lagi saya for you 1 hour. 1 hour 30 minutes eh.
1 hour 30 minutes.
Book number 017.
What is this?
It's about
Yeah.
this is avocado.
There is an entry fee to the lake, which is around 6 Malaysian ringgit per person.
So one thing that I noticed is कि Malaysian and non-Malaysian के ticket prices are very different. Just half का फर्क है. I know I should not be saying this because India में ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है.
It is about 15 minutes walk uphill through the forested path. There are stairs, so it is pretty doable, but keep in mind it's humid and there are monkeys around. Please do not feed them or carry any visible food, they can attack you, and I'm highlighting this because we are particularly too scared of the monkeys.
There, तुम्हारे ऊपर.
The lake is absolutely stunning. You can swim in here or dive in, or if you want to do a bit more, you can rent a kayak for 20 Malaysian ringgit, just like we did, and you will need to rent a life jacket separately if you are planning to go in.
Such a nice experience. And उससे भी nice experience क्या है मैं बताऊं? और मैं बैठ के वीडियो बना रही हूँ और हरप्रीता सिंह पीछे kayaking कर रही हैं. Oh my god, I am totally enjoying the view.
The boat stops for about 1 hour 30 minutes for you to soak in the vibes of the stunning place.
Hey, hi guys. This is Passport and Pixel, the second half. Not exactly the second half. I am no founder or co-founder, but I'll feature more in her videos forever. So yeah, that's why I said the second half. See, it's so pretty. Oh, okay. I don't think it was stable to move around. I think now it's good. Yeah.
Okay, so we just concluded our kayaking activity here. It was so nice. बहुत refreshing था and हाथों के लिए बहुत exercise हो गई है all of a sudden and we are exhausted.
Also, note your boat number before you head in because you have to get back on the same boat and within the time frame that they allot you. They are not going to wait forever. Trust me, our boat almost left us while we were enjoying the mango shake. Yeah, keep an eye on the time, guys, please. Next, a short and sweet stop in the middle of the sea for eagle feeding. It was amazing to see so many eagles swooping right in front of us. It was only about 5 to 10 minutes of stop, and you don't need to get off the boat, but honestly the sight is unforgettable. I think I personally like this eagle feeding spot better than the one that we saw yesterday. Our last stop was Behraz Bahas Island, and trust me, it was so beautiful. The white sand and the crystal clear water look straight out of a postcard. I personally love the beach here very much, and making it clearly one of my favorite places in Langkawi. You get around 30 to 40 minutes here, which felt a bit short to be honest, but we tried to make the most of it.
मेरा फोन वहाँ रखा था, मेरा गोप्रो वहाँ रखा था, उसका सारा सामान देखा मेरा. Okay, we just had a monkey encounter. अब हम अपने जूते लेके हाथ में चल दिए हैं किनारे के दूसरी तरफ.
And that is a wrap up for Langkawi Island hopping tour. It was one of our favorite experiences in Langkawi. Super scenic, relaxing, and adventurous, all rolled into one. If you are visiting Langkawi, definitely add this to your itinerary. It is affordable, family friendly, and gives you a different side of island, which you won't see from the land. On screen, you can see some quick tips for your island hopping adventure. After island hopping, kayaking, and almost missing our boats, we were running on fumes, both us and the car. But before refueling the tank, we refueled ourselves with something familiar and comforting, a plate of steaming hot Indian veg biryani.
शुद्ध शाकाहारी खाना चाहिए.
Vegetarian.
बिरयानी बिरयानी अब मैंने हम बाहर देख लिए. हाँ, वेजिटेबल. हाँ.
We did not expected much out of the biryani, but genuinely it hit the spot. Was really fulfilling. And then the other kind of fuel. Yup, we filled the car ourselves, which was, let's just say, not as delicious, but was definitely a new experience. We parked our car at the fuel station, went inside, topped up the fuel meter, and then we were ready for one of its kind experience. Let me know in the comments, would you go kayaking in the lake or just chill at the beach? What was your favorite part of the island hopping tour? And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because next we are heading to explore some hidden gems in Langkawi, which you will see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.